Happy Saturday, everyone. This is Julie HR, and I've just created an admin daily planner. It has been something that has been requested by many administrative assistants to assist them in planning their day. They saw my HR planner, which they loved, and a lot of them have reached out to me. So I'm super excited to have just created it. So let's take a look. I think you'll really like it. It covers a lot of different aspects that an administrative assistant works on every day. So let's take a look. Okay, number one, it has a daily schedule. You just plug in the start time and then it populates all the way down. There's also a top priorities, correspondence and communications, office management, meeting coordination, document and records, vendor management, process improvements, follow-up tracker, end of the day checklist. You want if you're maybe an HR professional or maybe someone who oversees an admin, you want to make sure that they tick off each of all of the items, especially if they're a new employee. So that's really, really great. And I also like the projects tracker. Admins are always very busy and you want to help them keep track of all the projects they've got going on and also the processes. And then there's also follow-ups and action items for tomorrow, but we'll look at it a little deeper in a minute. As mentioned, there are some key sections. End of the day. This would be great to give to a new hire admin assistant, or actually you could even transition it to, a different role if you'd like, just to ensure that the individual knew what was expected of them. Also, as mentioned, the admin projects tracker and the process and project improvements. Each and every employee, if you're an HR professional, you know that you've got to give them some stretch assignments and give them projects and items that they can work towards. And with this, you're giving them that. Some features, it's organization, priority and task tracking, communication and follow-up. It's clean and print ready, but most people like to just leave it on their desktop during the day and just update as they go along. Drop boxes, easy breezy, how to just drop by in process, not started, on hold. And there's even an instructions tab. It's tab number 3 where I point out some very important items that you should pay attention to. And you can edit it in Microsoft Word or Google Sheets. And here you have it. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it. Also in my shop is a receptionist handbook and front desk receptionist checklist. So with that being said, let's take a look at this Excel spreadsheet. I wanted it to be perfect. So number one, let's take a look at this. Let's say I change the time from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. What's going to happen? Oops, excuse me. 10 a.m. Watch on the left. Everything changes by 30-minute increments, right? Today's admin goals and priorities, and you can check those off. Correspondence and communication, office management, meeting coordination, change these, not started, document and records management, on hold, vendor supply, admin projects tracker, and you can just keep adding to these as perhaps if you're the admin, your boss or maybe it's a goal of yours to get particular projects done at a particular time. There's also one, I like this, process and project improvements. Everything always needs improvement. In any place I've ever been, there's always been an opportunity for someone to come in and update things, change things, make things more efficient. And administrative assistants, they are the people to do that. So they need to have a process and project improvement. waiting on and follow-up tracker. A lot of times this is great for an admin assistant who perhaps has, a supervisor that's like, so where are we on this particular project? And you can always say, well, we are waiting on the executive director to get a signature. So if you're an admin assistant, this tracker actually covers your bases. It shows what you're doing every day. And what you could do, and I would recommend this, but let's take a look at end of the day checklist. Review open action items, touch base with key departmental contacts. Then you have the follow-up. What I would do is actually take this daily planner and let's see. I would go move or copy. I would create a copy and I'd hit OK. And I would go to the next, once I finished with this, I'd make a copy, send it to the next day, and then I'd actually put the date on it, like, let's see, 7/2/26. And so you just keep it running. And it's a great backup for, process reviews, one-on-one meetings. It's a great template. So thank you so much for joining me today as I go over this Admin Daily Planner. I've got a lot of other things that I need to get up on Etsy, a lot of things. I'm so excited. So be sure, do me a big favor, and I'm trying to get to 700 subscribers. So hit the like button and also click the bell notifications for, when I click the bell notification so you'll know when I have a new video coming up. I'm about to do a June video covering HR and regarding like some of the summer items that come into play that HR professionals need to be on the lookout for. Thanks so much and have a great day.